What I'm about to share with you isn't just powerful, it's dangerous. Because if you use these techniques the right way, women will crave you like a drug. But if you get careless, you'll create obsession. A woman who won't leave you alone, who chases you relentlessly. So, before we go any further, ask yourself, are you really ready for that kind of power? If you said yes, then listen closely. Because once you understand this, there's no going back. This isn't about looking good, having money, or saying the right things. It's about wiring her emotions so deeply into you that she feels like she needs you in her life. Not wants you, needs you. Because when you do this right, she'll chase you. She'll lust after you. She'll crave your presence like an addiction. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use this authentically and respectfully, because once this power is in your hands, you are responsible for how you use it. Now, let's get into it. Most guys try to win women over by being nice. They buy gifts. They show off their status. They try to impress her with their looks. And that's exactly why they fail. Because a woman doesn't need a man for what she can give herself. And let's face it, modern women can provide plenty for themselves. They don't chase what they already have. They chase what they're missing. If you want a woman to chase you, she has to rely on you for something she can't get anywhere else. You have to become her source of fulfillment. Once she connects you to a powerful craving, that's when the shift happens. From casual attraction to emotional need. Now, you might be wondering, isn't it enough for a woman to just want me? And the answer is no, because wanting is a choice, but needing, that's a primal instinct. She might want a new dress. She might want a weekend getaway. She might want a fancy dinner. But the moment something better comes along, she'll replace it. But if she needs something, she fights for it. She holds on to it. She can't function without it. At that point, you're no longer an option. You're a necessity. It's psychology. It's biology. And once you tap into it, you become unforgettable. So here's what you need to understand. Every woman carries a void inside her. Something she craves deeply but isn't getting enough of. And there are only 4 core voids that drive her emotional behavior. Number 1, validation. Number 2, excitement. Number 3, escape. And number 4, challenge. Your job is to figure out which void she's carrying and become the only man who can fulfill it. Let's break them down. Validation. Women thrive on validation, but not constant validation. That's boring. The most powerful kind, unpredictable validation. Psychologists call it intermittent reinforcement, and it's been proven to trigger emotional addiction far stronger than regular praise. When she can't predict your approval, her brain floods with dopamine. She starts craving it. If you give validation too easily, it loses all power. But if she has to earn it, she'll chase you hard. Excitement. Most women's lives are painfully routine. Work, stress, sleep, repeat. So if you become her source of emotional highs, she won't be able to resist chasing you. Tease her, surprise her, create tension. She's not addicted to you. She's addicted to how she feels around you. And that feeling is something she can't just find anywhere else. Escape. Every woman carries pressure. Career expectations, insecurities, social pressure. If you can be her escape, you become her peace. Let her be herself around you. No filters, no pressure. When she knows she can drop the act with you, she'll crave your presence like a safe haven. And when she feels that level of emotional freedom, she'll never want to give it up. Challenge. Here's the harsh truth. Most men are too easy. They chase, they beg, they validate nonstop. That's not attractive. That's common. Women obsess over men who are a challenge. The man who doesn't give in easily, the one she has to work for. Scarcity creates value, and the fewer men who resist her, the more value she places on the one who does. Make her earn your attention, and she'll chase you for it. So how do you know which void she has? Pay attention. What does she complain about? If she says, "Guys are so boring," she craves excitement. "I'm always overwhelmed," she needs escape. "No one ever compliments me," she's starving for validation. "Guys are always hitting on me," she wants a challenge. Once you've identified her emotional gap, you position yourself as the only man who can fulfill it. Here's the ultimate truth. Attraction is not logical. It's psychological. Women aren't attracted to the best man. They're attracted to the man who gives them a feeling they can't get anywhere else. Become that man, and you become emotionally irreplaceable. But a word of warning, use this knowledge wisely, because when used right, it builds deep magnetic connection. But used recklessly, you might create obsession, jealousy, and chaos. And trust me, you don't want that kind of drama in your life. If this opened your eyes, if you're ready to unlock real power in your dating life, then do 3 things right now. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a drop of this psychological gold. Until next time, be bold, be smart, and be the man she can't stop thinking about. I'll see you in the next one.